Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use Tfsa Wealthsimple. First, open your browser, go to wealthsimple.com and sign in or create an account. Now select Wealthsimple Invest or Wealthsimple Trade depending on how you want to manage your tax-free savings account or TFSA. If using Wealthsimple Invest, answer a few questions about your income, risk tolerance, and goals. Wealthsimple will create a custom TFSA portfolio with stocks, bonds, and ETFs. If using Wealthsimple Trade, you'll have full control to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs within your TFSA. Next, connect your bank account and deposit funds into your TFSA. You can also set up automatic contributions to grow your investments over time. Once your funds are in, Wealthsimple automatically invests them if you're using Invest, or you can manually trade stocks and ETFs if you're using Trade. To track your TFSA, log into the Wealthsimple dashboard on the web or app. If you need to withdraw funds, click Withdraw, enter the amount, and confirm. A TFSA lets your investments grow tax-free, making it a great way to save and invest while avoiding taxes on your earnings. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.